On becoming a Vamosys dealer, you will get GPS VTS tracking panel for your customers. In that, by default, you will get one map, that is OSM, to track vehicles. But if you want a Google map for tracking, then you have to follow this process. Firstly, sign in to your Gmail ID and type this URL. Also, I have shared the URL in the description box below. Click on Activate, select the project, fill these details with the help of drop-down menu. Check the terms and service box and click on Continue. Enter your mobile number and click on Send Code. Now enter the code you will receive on your mobile number and click on Verify. Now you have to fill in your business and credit card details. You have to put your credit card number, its expiry date, cardholder's name, CVV number as well, and along with that you have to fill in the bank address, city, postal code and state. Now just click on Start My Free Trial. Enter the security code and click on Continue. Again click on Continue. Please note 2 rupees will be deducted from your account that will be refunded. Now you have to enter the OTP for the same and click on Confirm and pay to complete the process. You will be redirected to another page. Close this another window. Click on the navigation menu and go to the Billing tab. Here you will see the status of your account will show active. Again go to the navigation menu, click on API and Service tab and click on Credentials tab. Now click on Select Project and click on Create Credentials. Then click on API Key. You will get a small window. Copy the generated key and click on Restrict Key option here. Now again click on Edit API Key and select HTTP referrer and click on Add an item. Now refer the shared document by our support team and check the 8th and 9th point. Copy paste the link, change the URL and put your company URL. Click on Done. Again you have to repeat the same process. This time you have to copy paste the link mentioned in the 9th point in the document and click on Done. Now click on the Restrict key and click on Save. Now you will get the page where you have to upload the credit card photo only showing last 4 digits. Now go to Library tab. In API Library page, please note you have to enable 3 tabs here, that is Map JavaScript, Places API and Geocoding API. For that, click on Map JavaScript first, make it enable. Back the page, click on Places API and make it enable too. Similarly, click on Geocoding API and make it enable. At last, go to API and Services, click on Credentials. Now, copy the API link from here, go to your Dealer Admin Panel profile page and paste the API link in this option and select Google option here and click on Update. Like this, map key creation process is done. For further queries, kindly reach us through support@vamosys.com. Thank you.